my name is Lamar Payne, and welcome to Open House.
Hello, I'm Mr. Ritter. I'm one of the assistant principals here at JT Alton Middle School in Vine Grove. This is my 17th year here at JTA. It's the only place I want to be. I think it's a great place for the kids. We work with our Operation Middle School for our 6th graders today, get them oriented with the building, trying to help with the first day jitters a little bit. I always tell them JTA is one big hallway, so that makes it easier for them. And I went to school here as well. Living proof that they're going to be just fine. Really looking forward to this school year, the opportunities that we've come up with over the summer to work with our PBS reward systems. We want to get some great incentives for the kids to do what they need to do with their attendance, grades, and behavior. I'm looking forward to a great 25-26.
Hi, I'm Loretta Shepard. I am the new school nurse. I'm looking forward to meeting all the students here, and I hope everyone has a great year.
Good evening. My name is Coach Alexander Barkley. I'm the coach of the JTA Lady Trojans basketball team. We have a 6th, 7th, and 8th grade team. We're still looking for participants. We've been practicing all summer, but we're looking forward to gaining a few new team members this evening. So come on, come on.
What grades do you accept?
So we got 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. We got those 3 teams, but girls, if they're 6th graders, they can play on the 7th grade, 7th graders can play on 8th grade, and 8th grade play primarily on just the 8th grade team.
Hi, I'm John Russell. I am an assistant coach for the girls cross country team. We're recruiting tonight for the boys and girls cross country team for the middle schoolers. On the girls' side, we've lost a few, lost 3 girls out of our top 7, so we're looking to get some good ones to come in. We are planning on taking the varsity to Huntsville, Alabama this year for the Southern Showcase. It is actually the fastest course for high school races in the country. We are returning our top girl who qualified at the state meet. She was 16th at the regional meet last year, and we're looking to expand on what we've done from years past.
And what grades can qualify?
From 7th grade, now for cross country, we have elementary, and we have middle school, and we have high school. So when it comes to running up for varsity, you have to be in the 7th grade, and so we take all classes pretty much. I think the youngest we've had is like a 3rd grader. So yeah, they run different distances. Training is a little different, but we break them all down with this. We have multiple coaches and all. So.
And is there any reason someone should join your team this year?
Like I say, we go out of state. We are also, if you can make it through dealing with cross country, you can eventually make it through life without a problem.
I am Peyton Cooper, and I am the coach's son for JTA Archery.
What do you like about being in archery?
So whenever I did archery, it's a lot of fun to compete within your school, as well as traveling to different schools during competitions. And it's never there's never too much pressure on you because it is individual. You're not if you shoot less than somebody else, until you get to way later on, it doesn't matter that much. As long as you're getting better than yourself is what it is. So it's more personal, but it's fun to have a little bit of competition, see if you can shoot better than your friends. And
why should others join the team?
It's definitely great for community whenever you do build those bonds with other people that are interested in archery. It's a lot of fun to shoot. I mean, it's a lot of the reason why people join. But on downtime, talking to people, trying to get them to shoot better. Every once in a while we do fun stuff, we'll stack targets up and you got to shoot in between 4 targets. So whenever you do stuff like that, it's a lot of fun and it's a great way to meet a bunch of new people and get into a community of people that are like you.
My name is Coach Tone. I'm the head football coach at JTA. Our team consists of 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. One reason why you should join our team is because our coaches are excellent and we teach not just football, but how to be young men in and out of school, in the community, and we have a whole bunch of fun. So we need you. We need more players for our team.
Hi, I'm David Cruz. I am one of the head coaches here at North Harton High School's Trojan bowling team here. We are looking for our season for some 7th or 8th graders to be able to be part of our team. We are looking for starting in October all the way to about February. We're going to have our season. Interesting fact, we actually hosted last year the regionals, and this year we are looking forward to bring back a few more of our bowlers to go to state. And yeah.
My name is Mark Roberts, and this is Lindsay Roberts. We're the counselors here at James T. Alton Middle School. We have a booth set up just to kind of talk to the students and families, answer questions they have about schedules, course of studies, and different things that we offer here at JTA. We do a lot of different activities, plan a lot of different activities. We have our hand in a little bit of everything, all the way from the dances, talent show, to going out and reaching out to families that may need some help in their time of need. So we're kind of a catch-all for whatever students need to succeed. So just excited to get all the kids back in here, get a chance to talk to the new 6th graders and see the 7th and 8th graders again.
Hi, my name is Mr. Robinson. I'm the band director here at James T. Alton Middle School. I've been the band director here. This is going into my 2nd year. I've had about almost a decade of experience beforehand working at various schools at Warren County and then one in Eastern Kentucky as well. Something interesting about the band right now is currently we feed into North Harton High School marching band, and they have currently just ended their band camp, and we actually have quite a bit of our 8th graders and one 6th grader, I know, ironic, isn't it, has joined the marching band because of their talents. And this year, I'm going to tell you right now, their show looks amazing. It always starts, of course, the only way that they can get good is by starting here at the middle school. So one of the things that I will always say, if you have any interest in music at all, even if it's like, if you're thinking about wanting to sing one day, or you think or you just like listening to music or anything, you should always try band, because a lot of times students will join band later at high school, not realizing that was for them the whole time, and they wind up wasting about 3-4 years of good experience that could make them even better if they had just joined when they were in 6th grade. So even a little bit of minute interest, go ahead and join, because you never know until you try it.
Hi, my name is Vicente Garcia, coach, swimming coach. We are here to invite you to enjoy our team, so you can make a difference on a Harney County school. We help to swim all different 4 styles. If you don't have experience, we're gonna have open season, and we help you to start the basic things of swimming. If you have more experience, you are able to be part more to the team. What else I can?
Why should people join? You already kind of said that.
Yes, our goal as a coaches is, 1, just to success and support the swimming. 2nd, you can have opportunity to have a scholarship, and 3rd, you can have a job. We have many swimmers that in a season they got a lifeguard job, so that's another income that help you to pay your college, and you are welcome to come.